Na-curious kami dito sa bagong burger ng Chili's. We love truffle and mukhang masarap to. Expensive lang pero despedida kasi nung friend namin who's migrating to another country. And favorite restaurant niya ang Chili's kaya okay lang. Pagka-serve sa amin ito, ang bango-bango ng burger, amoy na amoy yung truffle. Malaki yung burger, juicy, madaming mushrooms. Tatlo kami nag-share sa burger na to and burger craving satisfied kaming tatlo. This is available for a limited time only. Yung ibang in-order namin, yung mga classic na favorite namin sa Chili's. Like this Southwestern egg roll. Super fave namin to ni Hubby. Grabe. Hindi pwedeng kakain sa Chili's nang hindi namin to in-order. Ang sarap kasi nung blend ng spices nito. May chicken, black beans, corn, slightly crunchy yung wrap, at super sarap niya with the sauce. Isa pang favorite namin yung classic nachos ng Chili's. Although may mga visits na hindi namin to na-order, but this is really good. Isa pa to, personal fave, their chicken crispers. May something do sa thick crispy batter niya na napakasarap, lalong-lalo na pag dinip dun sa honey mustard sauce. This has been one of my favorites ever since nakakain ako sa Chili's. Siyempre, dapat may salad para kunwari healthy. Most of our visits sa Chili's, yung boneless buffalo chicken salad nila yung in-order namin. I love blue cheese kasi and yung texture ng crispy tortilla chips, ang sarap-sarap niya with the salad. Hindi ko alam kung healthy pa rin tong salad na to, but it's really good. Kayo, may mga favorites ba kayo dito sa Chili's na dapat ko matry next? Di ko pa na-try to. Sulit ba?